Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing us. Today we're working on that Volkswagen here V6 3.2 Touareg, and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace serpentine belt. The vehicle's been in an accident. It's been damaged really bad in the front. As you know, we have the video on World Mechanics. It does actually run and drive, surprisingly, but at least we can show you guys the belt, okay, how to remove it, how to replace it, because we have all the room since the front end is missing on the vehicle. We need a 16mm socket, and that's where we need to install it. That's the tensioner pulley. You need to go counterclockwise and you can pull the belt out of there. Okay, you can see like that. Next, you can just go ahead, okay, remove the belt from all the pulleys there. Okay, ours is stuck a little bit there on the bottom because, as you know, it is heat, but it will eventually come out. Okay, like that. And next we need to feed it, okay, behind the tensioner pulley, and we'll need to pull it out. So if you put some tensioner on the pulley, okay, you can pull the belt out that way. Okay, it's a two-sided belt like that, so stay with us now and we'll show you guys how to install it quick. So we need to, okay, put tension on the pulley again so we can get it behind. Okay, like that. We need to get it on the tensioner pulley first. Okay, now I'm gonna let go. And next we're going to start, okay, feeding it. Okay, right here now. Okay, like that. Next it's going to go to the AC compressor there. From the AC it will go down to the power steering pump on the bottom, then to the alternator, and last thing we have this pulley right here. So once we release the tensioner by going counterclockwise, we'll be able to install it. Okay, you gotta make sure that it lines up right here, it's not on the grooves. Okay, perfect, now it is. Okay, and this is it, guys. That's the whole procedure. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.